Good morning, guys. Again, today is a good day. Sun is coming, sun is shining, weather is good, make you wanna move, be happy. Yeah, guys. Have a nice day, Earth. Have a nice day, friend. Have a nice day, everyone. Today is a good day. Everything gonna be okay. Everything gonna be a success and happy. Yeah, I'm starting my journey today. The FM is giving me a very, very, very nice feeling because I like it. Sun is shining, everything okay. Weather is good, just cloudy, more cloudy. Everyone is shining. I am my world is small. Everything good. I have a two black in, Ghana and Kenya. Everything gonna be okay. And this is me. Yeah. Have a nice day.